Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months.
7. The unity of the soul. Vamdev has come to his son, the Shruti shearer has given him Somer drink. 1. The unity of the soul has come to his son, the unity of the soul, which is the nectar of the Lord, Shankara, the Lord of the soul, has come to his son and has told him. Listen, my son, what I am saying is not the opinion of the weak Shrutis. I will reveal the secrets of the strong Vedas and Upanishads. This supreme essence of independence is not known to the weak. It is not appropriate to tell this to those who are beyond action. The unity of the soul enables one to observe and inquire into the self of the souls, This is the meaning of Vedanta. The self-distinction of, I am different, you are different, is invented. Difference is the result of the separation. In the state of Samadhi, where all differences have disappeared, the ascetic experiences the unity of the Supreme Being. 2. O soul, realize the unbroken Supreme Being that I am talking about and become filled with joy. The bliss of experiencing nectar will shine in your heart that you are the Supreme Being. This is the true self-realization, that the Supreme Being is one. I will now tell you that you are truly Brahman from the beginning. The non-existent existence in the Supreme Being is manifested by illusion. If you realize that this illusion is a pussy and that you are the truth, then you are truly happy. Senani, listen, one soul is seen as two due to the separation of status. This is the widespread illusion of Maya. I will explain with several examples how the existence of illusion is manifested in the soul. 6. Examples showing the life force. 1. When a man steps on a rope in the dark, he thinks in fear, this is a snake, I am dead. He turns back and says, Vamadeva bows down to him, give me Somer drink. 1. The oneness of the Supreme Soul, who has drunk the nectar of Dhamma. Shankara, the god of the left hand, spoke to his son in the Shruti chapters, and the oneness of the Supreme Soul, who is full of nectar, bows down and tells him. Listen, my son, what I am saying is not the opinion of the weak Shrutis. I will reveal the secrets of the strong Vedas and Upanishads. This supreme essence of independence is not known to the weak. It is not appropriate to tell this to those who are beyond karma. The oneness of the Supreme Soul enables one to observe and inquire into the soul of souls, the souls, from the soul. This is the meaning of Vedanta. The self-separation, I am different, you are different, is an illusion. The separation is the creation of the self. In the state of Samadhi, where all separation has disappeared, the ascetic experiences the unity of the Supreme Being. 2. O self-born, realize the undivided Supreme Being that I am talking about and become filled with joy. The bliss of experiencing nectar will shine in your heart that you are the Supreme Being. This is the true self-realization, that the Supreme Being is one. I will now tell you that you are truly Brahman from the beginning. The non-existent life in the Supreme Being appears due to illusion. If you realize that this illusion is a pussy and that you are the truth, then you are truly happy. Listen, Commander, one soul appears as two due to the separation of the self. This is the widespread illusion of Maya. I will explain how the life of illusion is seen in the soul with several examples. 6. Examples showing life. 1. When a man steps on a rope in the dark, he trembles in fear, thinking, this is a snake, I am dead. When he picks it up again with the hammer, he returns and bends over to see, it is not a snake, it is a rope. In the same way, life is seen in the soul, i.e. in you. 2. When a potter makes many types of pots from clay, he kneads the clay and gives them different shapes and names them. There is only death, but the pots that appear with joy are of many shapes. Life exists only in words. 3. A person sees a frog's shell lying in the sun, exults, saying, this is silver, and bends down to pick it up. When he examines it again, it is only emptiness. Silver is only an illusion. 4. Even if Panchala creates many ornaments from gold with his imagination, there is a single thorn in them. Just as many types of ornaments are born from a single thorn, know that life in you is only in name. 5. When the brothers-in-law are playing happily, when someone comes to tell them for fun that their relative has died, they immediately stop playing and say that they have received a sutaka. This word has life like a sutaka. 6. A carpenter carves a piece of wood and makes elephants and horses out of it. If you examine it, the names and forms of magic are the same, and the wood is the same. This is the same life, the same soul is the same. 7. When a man walks in a forest, he sees that he has been watered, but in the heat of the sun in the desert, he sees a stream of water. He thinks that a lake has broken open and is flowing like a stream. But do those who drink it think that the wild water is real water? What really exists is only the heat of the sun. Appearance is only a word, it is not reality. 8. A blacksmith heats iron in a furnace, strikes it and makes axes, daggers, sickles, and cans. The iron itself writes when the fog leaves and they are seen. You alone know, only you, the soul, have many ideas. Be sure that the illusion of life is imaginary. 9. Among the people walking in a row, fearing that a thief is sitting there, seeing a tall tree in the darkness, one of them approaches and examines the tree, comforting him by saying, "Hold on, this is a palm tree." This is the essence of life. 10. Are the foamy waves created by the wind on a flowing river separate from the water? Although they are called falling and rising waves, there is still water. Water is the only truth. Multiplicity is an idea, and life in the Supreme is an illusion. 11. While he is going south in a cart or a boat, the trees on the far bank are going north. When he looks at them, they are all in the same place. What he sees is an illusion of vision. Similarly, you have the feeling of life, that the body is me. 12. To a man who is a Kamani, the sun's rays appear yellow. If he holds a dark-colored flower in his hand and asks, "What color is this?" the man will say, "Yellow." The sick person will laugh at this. This illusion of life is life. 13. If a person with a disease of the gallbladder says that the world around him is spinning when he is full of bile, will the people standing around him not laugh? O leaf tree, like this illusion, there is life in the soul, in you. 14. When a boy takes a red-hot stick in his hand and spins it in a circular motion, that scene looks like a child's sun, like a red bracelet. If it is true that a boy takes a round shape, then life is true. 15. When the Dharuni spreads and grows widely, a mountain appears small to those who see it from a distance. Is a mountain a particle? This is the glory of distance, the illusion of the smallness of life is similar. 16. If letters are small, they are not visible to the eye. If a mirror is placed on the eye, those letters appear large. The glory of the mirror is that small letters appear large. This is the glory of the mirror. In this pari, there is Ishitwa. 17. If a kaji mortar is made on the ground, it appears to the beholder as if water is flowing on it in the sun. If a fence is immersed in that shining water, it breaks into pieces. If I look at it and inquire, I will know that my vision was an illusion. The illusion of life in the soul is also of the same kind. 18. Let us understand that while carrying a piece of fire, it fell to the ground and broke into pieces. When the sun's rays shine on them, they appear like gems to the uninitiated. If a foolish man goes to grab it, there is an illusion of life, like a quickening in the hand. 19. Suppose a jewel has fallen glittering on the road. A foolish traveler may not pick it up, fearing that it is fire. But if a jewel tester comes along the same road, will he leave the real jewel? Just as his foolishness has covered the jewel, so the illusion of life has covered the radiance of the infinite Supreme Being. 20. Suppose a man from one country has gone to another country. He got lost in the morning and asked another in surprise, "Isn't the sun visible there in the west?" Then the other replied, "It is the east, you are lost." The traveler from a distant country, remembering that the sun rises in the east in all towns, knew the direction of his journey. Similarly, the ignorant person who does not remember his true state is accused of life. 21. When a cloud is run by the wind, it seems as if the moon is running. It is only the child's intellect that wonders that the moon is running, which is there. 22. When the sun shines brightly in an open forest, a hot spring, that is, a stream of water, is seen in the distance. If a dull-witted person sees it and says, "Look, water is flowing," he will say, "That is false." O foolish man, where is the water? There are waves of air moving due to the heat of the sun's rays, and the heat waves are reflected and flowed, and they are called hot springs. You know that this is the water of running. Those who know say that this is a vision. Similarly, the focus of life in this world and the hereafter in the Supreme Soul is seen as an illusion. 23. If a person who has drawn a stainless sword from its sheath and seen it shining brightly from a distance, says, "Look, the fire has broken out," the one who knows the material state will say, "It is the sword that is shining there, not the flame of fire," for there is an illusion of non-existent life in the soul. 24. To bring a mirror before a mirror, one's own form appears. If one tilts and opens one's teeth, the reflection also opens its teeth. Ask, O hero, are there two others besides oneself? Like the appearance in a mirror, there is a multiplicity of lives in the soul. 25. It seems that even his own shadow walks, and if a man sees it and runs away, thinking that a ghost has come, those who know him will say, "You are crazy, you are afraid of your own shadow, who else is there besides you?" Thus, life is illusory in him. 26. Even if there is a moon in amber, its image shines and shimmers in the water. A moon that appears in two is the glory of water. The joy of life in that realm is illusory in the soul. 27. A man felt sorry for the red stone, not the mud. He dug it out with his foot. It turned out to be a red stone. His desire was shattered, and he moved forward, ashamed. My son, until you examine this realm, you have the illusion of life. 33. One's Supreme Soul appears in many ways. Many examples have been given for this. Thus, the illusion of life appears in Brahman, the soul. How much do you know about this idea? It is a complete lie that to those who are completely deluded, the world itself, even though Brahman exists, appears as life. Knowing the oneness of the living and the Brahman, you see the entire world is the Supreme Soul, and do not separate the living and the worlds from the Supreme. Doctor. Just as a single grain of wheat is skillfully divided into many types of life, such as Goli, Paradi, and Shavij, one soul shines. Opening parenthesis dot. Although a spark is one, it burns the entire bamboo forest in many ways. In the bamboo grove, there is a crack, black smoke, and flames of fire. They appear. Similarly, Brahma shines with the names of plants, trees, stones, and various living beings. Box partial carat alpha, milk is one. When it is heated and curdled, milk takes on many names such as cream, curd, buttermilk, 23 epsilon underscore, 14, carat 2 ghee. Similarly, one supreme being shines as many living beings as snake, scorpion, human. Box j carat, a number in a calculation. One of them becomes 2, and another becomes 3. Thus, the number of calculations increases greatly to 10, crore, and abadha. Brahma is one, even if it is divided into 2. Doctor. From one lamp, 2 or 3, 4 or 5, counting 10, 18, 19, etc., an innumerable number of living beings shine. Just as lamps shine, the one supreme being shines as the bound beings, such as humans, animals, birds, etc., in many forms. Although the letter, ka, itself is one, it grew into ka, ki, ku, ke, kai, ko, cow, due to the difference in vowels and became a vine. That Paribrahma shines as the demons, the workers, the wicked, the knowledge, negligent beings, and the supreme being shines as the one supreme being. Example, in the beginning there was only one sugarcane. Should we tell its news from the kitchen? After the sugarcane juice was heated, it took on many different names and forms, such as lum jaggery, sugar, cow, mold, etc. Like this, there is Brahma. The one supreme being shines as the bound beings in many guises, such as boys and girls, men and women, intelligent men, and foolish men. The seed is the same, but what about the one who sows it and gets a smile on his face? The seeds of paddy were sown in the earth, and they grew and became sacks full of grains. Like the government of the kingdom, Brahma, the one supreme being, shines in various forms such as ghee, oil, wood, gas, etc., for the benefit of living beings. Doctor. In the beginning, there was only one pearl in the ocean, later various types of pearls were born from it. In the same way, it existed for a week, and it became Sunday. The next day became Monday, and so on, from 1 to 7 weeks. By this method, witness that there is only one Supreme Being. The one Supreme Being shines in the forms of animals such as cows, oxen, buffaloes, drive. In the beginning, when clouds gathered, lightning, thunder, roaring, hail, rain, etc. were born. In that example, the one Supreme Being created hands, feet, ears. He shines in the form of a million lives through the nose and other organs. Doctor. The thread is one, which is obtained by the weaver and becomes different patterns of cloth. It is sold in the market under the names of sari, blouse, dhotar etc. Similarly, one Supreme Soul shines in various forms as an illusion of life. Dya, although the Vitavriksha, banana tree, was born as a small seed at the root, the plant grew year by year. Its branches spread out and took root in some parts of the earth and grew strong, and its leaves spread very green. In the same way, Brahma has spread in the world with great skill. Illustrations. Just as there is only one moon in the sky, so is there one Supreme Soul. Let us suppose that there are several water-filled basins on the earth. Even though there is one moon, it reflects differently in different vessels. If the water is clean, it remains pure. He shines. If the water is flowing, the shadow formed in it also shakes. Like the sky, Brahma, who is the undivided form, fills all elemental bodies and shines, playing with the names and forms of different beings. Dya. A mirror is hung on a high wall, and in front of it, everything becomes luminous when a lamp is placed, so the Supreme Soul shines in many bodies, showing his shadow. The feeling that in the presence of the illuminating Soul, even the inert bodily forms shine like a light. Just as a lamp is placed on a horizontal wall, it illuminates the left and right corners. Only the one Supreme Soul dwells in the whole body, so that the inside and outside are brightly illuminated. Doctor. O son of the tree, endowed with knowledge, in this way the one Brahman is shining in the form of various beings in various worlds by the power of illusion. Then what is the difference between the Supreme Soul and the Supreme Soul, similarly the difference between beings? The entire visible world is you. Therefore, the doctrine that you are the Supreme Being is with a passion. 50. Listen, O son, to the explanation of the Shruti. Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, it is all-pervading and is filled with itself alone. To make such Brahman separate from you is to say, where is there room for Brahman to be apart from you? There is no Brahman apart from you, you are the all-pervading Brahman. Where are you not? When are you not with whom? You are the world beyond. The statement that the world is apart from you is a lie. The Vedas and Puranas have repeatedly stated that the Supreme Brahman, i.e., you alone exists as the witness to all that appears innumerable. O Suguna Mani, listen, be certain that you are the Supreme Being. The true knowledge of who he is, when he becomes strong, he considers himself to be the Supreme Being, and then the world appears to be an illusion. If he leaves himself, he will see the world, and he will see the Lord. The cat is not a double statement. There is only one reality, and that is you, and apart from you there is no world, no Supreme Being. If you know you, there is great benefit, if you do not know, there is great harm. 52. Parable. Continued. 1. When the son of a king was a baby, he drank the milk of a breast and said, I am a breastfed son, and his close friends who were near him forced him to say, You are the king. Believing this, the king's son gave up his lowly attitude. Prov. 2. When the tiger was small, the dog sucked his breast, and when he grew up, he started saying, I am a dog. The tiger said, Will you know when? A big tiger came across and saw a small cub of the same species and said to it, You are also a tiger like me. Look at the shadow of both of us in this water of the future. Similarly, when one does not know oneself due to the illusion of Maya or Avidya, suffering from the low intellect of, I am life, I am born, I will die, the Sadguru, with great kindness, will show mercy by saying, O son, understand and see, you are Brahma. Okay, if you ask, what is the Supreme Soul like? He is not like that, the feeling that the soul is incomparable. If you say that the Supreme Soul is like this and that in many names, you will become sick and attached to the life consciousness, and you will not become the ocean of bliss. Believe without doubt in the state of non-difference that I have told you. Be an ocean of bliss like Brahma. Like the case of a moth placed in a nest of dirt, it repeatedly comes out and thinks of the piercing sound, and after a few days it too becomes a moth and flies out of the nest. Similarly, one who believes in what the Guru says and meditates on the Supreme Brahman becomes the auspicious Brahman. This is true. Listen, O Pangavane, stay in the Brahmalinga, abandon the feeling that life is an organ, body. Always think, I am Brahman. 56. Therefore, the pious men, having obtained the pure knowledge from the Guru, decide that they are Brahman and are happy in the world. Listen, I will now tell you the names of the pious souls with a smile. The sages Pingava like Narada, Vashishya, Atriya, Sanaka, Sananda, Romasha, Durvasa, Trinabindu, Markandeya, Agasya, Kardama, Kapilan. Others think that they are Brahman. Besides these great ones, there are also Nandikeshwara, Yajnava, Sindhu like, Marichi, Janana Sindhu like, Dattatreya, Vimadeva, Samvarta, Unbound, Dadhichi, Kashyapa, sages like Jamadagni, through the vision of knowledge, think that they are Brahma. Listen again, sages like Vishwamitra, Subhari, Gautam, Kamva, Parashara, Brihaspati, Shukracharya, Paulasya, the lords of the world, think that they are Brahma, and become Brahma. In short, there is no one who thinks of Brahma, there is no one who remains worried about samsara. Therefore, love your form as Brahma, Brahma will be realized. As usual, become Brahma, said Sambashiva to Shanmukha. 61. I also think of Brahma, said Shiva again. The four-faced Vidhata also remembers that I am Brahma. In the same way, the wise men of the world always think that they are the supreme Brahma without any defect. Therefore, O son, you too, I am Brahma, approach him alone. In this way, Lord Shiva established the blissful and true unity of the Supreme Being, explained all the doubts of the son in such a way that they were revealed, and resolved the problem of greed that was beyond the word Brahma. A kind-hearted man lovingly invited a very poor man who did not have a single drop of oil to his house for a meal. He offered the guest a 5-pack of rice porridge. Then the poor man complained, "Your mustard is not enough for me. I have spent a lot of ghee. This unholy doctrine should not be told to such a scoundrel." In this way, Shanmukha listened to the words of the Supreme Lord. Tears of joy were rolling down from his eyes. He stood like a pillar, lost in his body for half an hour. Shanmukha did not cry to tell and hear the spiritual happiness that he had experienced, but he Chidanandatma was, meditating on the Guru with his mind buried in his heart. 65.